Hello, and welcome to the Health for Healing channel. We are happy you have joined us. Thank you everybody who has subscribed, left a comment, or if you have hit the like button. We appreciate your support. Ever wondered if there are natural ways to combat allergies? Allergies are our body's overreaction to certain substances, ranging from dust and pollen to certain foods. These substances, known as allergens, trigger an immune response that can cause symptoms like sneezing, itching, and even difficulty breathing. Allergies are incredibly common, affecting millions worldwide. In fact, it's hard to find someone who doesn't know at least one person dealing with allergies. While there are plenty of medications on the market designed to treat allergies, they often come with side effects that some people would rather avoid. That's why many are turning their attention towards more natural methods of dealing with these pesky immune responses. From age-old herbal remedies to modern devices like dehumidifiers and HEPA filters, there's a whole world of natural allergy solutions out there. Today, we explore natural remedies that can help alleviate allergy symptoms. First on our list, we have dehumidifiers and HEPA filters. Dehumidifiers are a fantastic ally against allergens. They work by reducing the level of humidity in your home, making it less hospitable for allergens such as mold and dust mites. By keeping your home's humidity below 50%, you can significantly decrease these common allergens, thus lessening your symptoms. Now let's talk about HEPA filters. HEPA stands for high-efficiency particulate air. These filters are designed to trap tiny particles in the air, including common allergens such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites, and even tobacco smoke. They can filter out particles as small as 0.3 microns, which is roughly 300 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. Incorporating dehumidifiers and HEPA filters into your home can create a cleaner, healthier environment. These two devices can significantly improve your home environment and reduce allergy symptoms. Moving on, essential oils and herbs can also offer relief. Let's start with essential oils. Peppermint oil, for instance, is known to act as an expectorant and provides relief for allergies, as well as colds, coughs, and sinusitis. Lavender oil, another gem in the world of essential oils, is known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe allergy symptoms. Then we have lemon oil, a powerful antibacterial that can help detoxify your body and fight against allergy triggers. Turning to herbs, stinging nettle is often used to provide relief from hay fever, as it can reduce the amount of histamine in the body caused by allergies. Butterbur, another potent herb, has been shown to prevent certain leukotrienes, substances that can trigger swelling in the nasal passages. Remember, it's important to use these remedies responsibly and consult with a healthcare provider. Next up, we have nasal sprays and the neti pot. In our quest to find natural remedies for allergies, these two methods have proven quite effective. First, let's talk about saline nasal sprays. They're simple to use and can help clear your nasal passages. The saline solution works by increasing the moisture in your nostrils, which in turn helps to thin the mucus, decrease the swelling in your nasal passages, and flush out allergens that may be lurking there. It's a quick and easy way to give your nose some relief. Now let's move to the neti pot. This small teapot-like device is used to rinse the nasal passages with a saline solution. It's an ancient practice that's been adopted by many due to its effectiveness in clearing sinuses and removing allergens. The neti pot can be a lifesaver for those who suffer from chronic sinus issues or severe allergies. These methods can offer immediate relief, especially for those with congested sinuses. Another simple yet effective remedy is showering and using steam. Showering, especially after being outdoors, can help wash away allergens clinging to your skin and hair. It's like giving your body a fresh start, sweeping away the invisible culprits that can lead to sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. Now, let's talk about steam. Inhaling steam is an age-old practice for clearing congested sinuses. It works by loosening mucus and particles lodged in your nasal passages, making it easier for you to breathe. You can create your own personal steam room by simply taking a hot shower. Or for a more focused approach, you can inhale steam from a bowl of hot water, perhaps even infusing it with some eucalyptus or peppermint oil for added benefits. These methods are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can provide significant relief. So why not take a steamy shower and give your sinuses a break? Your body will thank you for it. Lastly, we look at some beneficial supplements. These natural allies can help fortify your body's defenses and provide much-needed relief from allergy symptoms. Firstly, let's talk about vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant not only boosts your immune system, but also battles histamines, the chemicals that cause allergy symptoms. Next up is quercetin, a plant pigment found in many fruits, vegetables, and grains. It's a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, is another supplement to consider. It can help reduce nasal swelling and thin mucus, making it easier for you to breathe. Lastly, we can't forget about probiotics, the friendly bacteria that live in your gut. They play a crucial role in maintaining your immune system, and some strains may even help reduce allergy symptoms. However, remember that supplements should be used as a part of a comprehensive allergy relief plan and not as a standalone treatment. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. So, there you have it, a list of natural remedies that can help combat allergies. From dehumidifiers and HEPA filters to essential oils and herbs, there's a wide range of strategies available. Dehumidifiers and HEPA filters cleanse the air, reducing allergens. Essential oils and herbs, such as stinging nettle and butterbur, can provide soothing relief. In addition, the use of nasal spray and the neti pot can help clear nasal passages, providing immediate relief. Showering and steam are also great ways to clear up congestion and soothe irritated skin. We've also discussed a variety of supplements, including vitamin C, quercetin, bromelain, and probiotics. These can help bolster your immune system and reduce allergic reactions. But remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen. What works for one person may not work for another. Remember, allergies are common, but they don't have to rule your life. Explore these remedies and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you found it useful. If you hit the like and subscribe buttons, that would be awesome. Until next time, stay well.